Are you tired of the paperwork pileup? Struggling to keep up with contracts, invoices, and reports? If so, you're not alone. Businesses everywhere face the same daunting challenge. Meet airSlate SignNow, the ultimate solution to transform your document workflow. Our powerful Business Cloud features go beyond simple e-signatures. Imagine this: instant document creation that merges data from various sources. With airSlate, you can generate invoices, quotes, and reports in just a few clicks. Enjoy these 3 key benefits. 1. Boost productivity with automated processes that free up your team for important tasks. 2. Reduce costs by minimizing manual data entry and errors. 3. Ensure compliance with legally binding electronic signatures that are easy to implement. What sets airSlate apart from the rest? Our no-code RPA solution integrates seamlessly with existing systems, allowing you to create complex workflows without any coding knowledge. Don't let your competitors leave you behind. Start reaping the benefits of streamlined workflows today. Transform your operations now and experience the freedom that comes with automation. Click the link below to get started.